So I start by going to my Chrome browser and type Power BI Desktop, and I make sure that I navigate to the Microsoft official website. And when you get to the website, just scroll down and you find the download button, the blue button, and make sure you select English if English is your language. Then there are two options there. You have the 64-bit and the 32-bit. So I will be going for the 64-bit, which is the second one. And you can see when you select that, it gives you option to choose. I choose the second one, that's the 64-bit version, because my OS is 64-bit. Then I click on download. Then I wait for it to download. So I go to my browser to check it. Then I go to the directory immediately, and I will see the file, the installer, that's the setup. I right click on it and I open to run. So you can run as administrator or just open straight. I would advise you open it straight. That's just my option to run as administrator. And you wait for it to start. So that is the setup. I click on next and I accept the terms. It's advisable to go through the terms and conditions there, but the licensing. But anyways, just hit next button and next again, then create a desktop icon for easy navigation. Then you wait for it to run. Let it do its thing, right? After a short while, depends on how fast your PC is. Yeah, so I hit launch Microsoft Power so that it runs immediately. Is your choice. Then you click on the button and voila, Power BI is installed and it is running. So as long as you don't have any issue, it will just open straight. So you don't need to sign in. Power BI desktop, you can just start using it straight. So the next thing is for you to start importing your data. And you can see all the data sources from your SQL, from blank report, OneLake, Data Hub, Excel workbook, SQL Server, then with sample data. So that is it. It's as simple as that.